Come on in, guys. Hit that like button.
Please do not, because he is not good. I keep on doing. Rudolph the red-nosed dog. Good. He said no. But I'm pointed at the
Okay.
Somebody pushed out my tooth. That was last night. Guys, if you're watching, I'm gonna pull my tooth out. For good. Often. My dad was good. He ended up taking off his braces. He did brush them good, so that's
Really, Violet?
what?
Really?
Yeah. Now you're pulling the whole floor up.
Hit that like button, guys. Come on, hit that like button.
How many people are watching?
7.
How many people are watching now?
8. It's a little sleep today. A little sleep.
6, 7. How many people are watching now?
6.
6?
Yes.